Mm-hmm. Hi guys, it's me again. It's Nicole in the kitchen. It's been a while. I want to come back with making a potato pudding. It's the potato. See, pretty, huh? Look at this. I went to the store today, not for potatoes, but I saw these. I couldn't resist. So I said, okay, potato pudding. So I peel. So I'm gonna cut them up so I can grater them. Ta-da! That's what I'm gonna use. My niece sent me this from Jamaica. Oh yeah. So this is what I'm gonna use. Okay. So let me cut them up and I'll get back to you. Okay guys, gratering time. So I'm gonna grater. It's gonna take a while, so I think I'm gonna do this and then come back and show when I'm finished with that. Okay? Okay, my people, potato is all done grated. Oh boy, it takes a while, but I'm done. So now I gotta put it together and get it going in the oven. Okay, now coconut finished. So now I'm gonna get everything else ready to do my thing. Okay, let's finish up the sweet potato pudding. That's the sweet potato, 2 cups of flour, 1.5 cups of sugar. I have the melted butter, the coconut, salt, nutmeg, cinnamon, mixed spice, and I have some ginger. Okay, let's go. My coconut milk. I'm just gonna put it in little by little and mix it up. Okay, that's the salt. Nutmeg. And a teaspoon of salt to your own benefit and your own liking. Okay, guys. See, I'm putting mine in my Dutchie. The Jamaican way. My Dutch pot. That's how my mom used to do it. Put it in the Dutch pot. The only thing now, I don't have hella bottom, hella top. Only have hella all over. This one is you're putting in the hellfire. Okay, guys. Put it in my Dutch pots. The Jamaican way. And the Dutch pots. So the oven is set at 380. I'm gonna put it in there for about 45 to an hour. Okay. So when I take it out, I'll let you guys see how it is and what it looks like. Okay, guys, it's all done. My sweet potato pudding. It's hot right now, so I'll wait until later I cut it and show you guys what it looks like when I'm taking a slice for myself. Okay, so I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, guys, it's my pudding. Yep. This is it. Thank you, Jesus. Hey guys, tell me if you like and share it. And I want to hear the comments. Okay.